against the threat of radicalism. Radical tendencies, irrespective of their origin, are one of the most dangerous threats to world peace and security. Radicalism means to advocate fundamental sudden change by means of compromise and hard-line values. Radicals changes employing cunning and often aggressive policies. Radicalism's characteristic traits is the angry attitude in speeches, demonstrations. Radical movements are dominated by blindly advocated techniques of conscious behavior are indicative of mass psychology.
Jonathan!
This mass psychology, in turn, can get so out of control that who no longer know what they are doing turn their against others. This is and all too often can have deadly consequences. In an environment where love and understanding have ceased to exist, people begin toward different ideologies without knowing what they really represent or believes.
Ignorance to find new recruits, even though it is a harmful and destructive. Radicalism can in Christian and Jewish communities, and this fact may be misused by those civilizations. Informed or misinformed people are vulnerable to extremist movements, philosophies they adopt, or this is why is perhaps the most essential aspect of the ideological fight. When people are realizing the importance of peace, then radical tendencies will swiftly disappear.